Hello, my name is G.Lalith Vignesh. Today I am doing CAA2 assignment. My topic is understanding surrogate keys and multi-valued dependencies, and the subject is database management systems. The subject code is 23CC302. My name is G.Lalith Vignesh and my roll number is 234G1A0577 and my branch is CSC and I'm studying in Sri Ramanujam Institute of Technology, shortly called as SRIT in Rotarypuram in Anantapur. Understanding surrogate keys and multi-valued dependencies in database management systems. Database management systems (DBMS) are crucial for storing, retrieving, and managing data. Understanding surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies is essential for effective database design. This presentation will explore these concepts in detail, highlighting their significance in maintaining data integrity and optimizing database performance. Surrogate keys are unique identifiers for database records that are not derived from application data. They are typically integer-based and are used to ensure that each record can be uniquely identified without relying on business logic. This helps maintain data integrity and simplifies relationships between tables. Importance of surrogate keys. Utilizing surrogate keys provides several advantages, including stability and consistency in identifiers. They help prevent issues related to changes in business data, improve performance in joins, simplify foreign key relationships. This approach is beneficial in large data sets. While natural keys are derived from business data, surrogate keys are artificially created. Natural keys can lead to complications with data changes, whereas surrogate keys provide a stable reference point. Understanding the difference aids in choosing the right key strategy for your database design. Multi-value dependencies occur when one attribute in a table uniquely determines another attribute, leading to redundancy. This concept is crucial in normalization as it helps eliminate unnecessary data duplication and promotes efficient data organization within relational databases. Significance of multi-valued dependencies. Addressing multi-valued dependencies is essential for achieving fourth normal form bracket 4NF close bracket. In database design, by eliminating these dependencies, database can reduce redundancy, improve data integrity, and ensure that data updates do not lead to inconsistencies across related tables. What this essentially means is multi-valued dependencies help in improving the data integrity and ensuring that data updates do not lead to inconsistencies across related tables. If multi-valued dependencies are not there, there is a very high chance that the data updates lead to inconsistencies across related tables. To identify multi-value dependencies, analyze the relationships between attributes in a table. If one attribute can determine multiple values of another attribute independently, a multi-value dependency exists. Proper identification is crucial for effective database normalization. So what this means is proper identification is always very important, because if there is no proper identification, it will harm database normalization. So proper identification is always important for effective database normalization. And if one attribute can determine multiple values for another attribute independently, a multi-valued codependency exists. It is what it means. To resolve multi-valued dependencies, create separate tables for the dependent attributes. This process involves decomposing the original table into smaller, more manageable tables, thereby enhancing data integrity and reducing data redundancy in database structure. What this essentially means is, to resolve multi-valued dependencies, we use a single table and we separate the table, we decompose the table into smaller tables, like dividing a task into smaller tasks so it will appear simple. And we do the same thing and manage tables, thereby enhancing data integrity and reducing redundancy in the database structure. This is a very useful tool and a feature in database management systems. Real-world applications. Understanding surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies is vital in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and retail. These concepts help in designing robust databases that can efficiently handle complex data relationships while ensuring data integrity and consistency. So what this tells is, in real-world applications, surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies are used in industries like finance, healthcare, retail. Almost all of the large corporations seem to use surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies for their uses. This concept helps very much in designing very big databases. Without this, these concepts help in designing robust databases, which means it can design very large databases which are very big and which cannot be made without the surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies. And these large databases can efficiently handle complex data and relationships while ensuring data is integral, like the data is not affected in any way and its integrity is secured and it is also very consistent. Challenges with surrogate keys. While surrogate keys offer numerous benefits, they can also pose challenges. Issues such as key management, potential for misuse, and need for additional storage must be considered. Awareness of these challenges is essential for effective database design and maintenance. While surrogate keys offer numerous benefits, they can also pose challenges, which means even though surrogate keys have a lot of benefits, have a lot of advantages, they also have a lot of disadvantages, like it can cause issues such as key management. Like it's very hard to manage these keys, so it causes an issue with key management. It has a very great potential for misuse. That's what it said, potential for misuse. And the need for additional storage must be considered. It also needs additional storage. I mean, when you consider a large data set, consumes a lot of storage, and you need extra storage for these keys too. So it's too much. And awareness of these challenges is very essential, because if you are not aware, how are you going to be able to handle it? So awareness of these challenges is essential for effective database design and maintenance. Challenges with multi-value dependencies. Multi-value dependencies can lead to complications in database design, such as increased complexity and difficulties in maintaining data integrity. Understanding these challenges is crucial for database administrators to implement effective normalization strategies and optimal performance. What it means is, multi-value dependencies can lead to complications in database design. What it means is, multi-value dependencies can lead to some complications in database design. Though it's not very common, it is also a potential issue. And as the size increases, it gets harder to maintain the integrity of the data. It gets harder because the complexity is improved very much. So understanding these challenges is very crucial for an administration, because if he mismanages the data, it will create chaos. So it's very important for administrators to understand this and implement effective normalization and ensure optimal performance. Best practices for database design. Implementing best practices such as surrogate keys for primary identifiers and addressing multi-value dependencies through normalization can significantly enhance database performance. Regularly reviewing and optimizing database structures ensure long-term efficiency and reliability. What this essentially means is implementing good practices like using surrogate keys as primary identifiers and addressing multi-value dependencies through normalization is very important for enhancing the performance of the database. And you need to regularly review and optimize database structures to ensure long-term efficiency and reliability. Because if you're not going to do that, you can't have long-term efficiency and reliability. And whatever benefits you get are only short-term, and in the future you would have to face a lot of problems. And in conclusion, thorough understanding of surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies is essential for effective database management. These concepts play a pivotal role in ensuring data integrity, optimizing in performance, and facilitating robust database design. Proper implementation leads to enhanced efficiency and reliability. What it means is, we need to have a thorough understanding of surrogate keys and multi-value dependencies, because it is very essential for effective management of database. These concepts play a very important role in optimizing performance, in securing the data, in making sure the integrity of the data is safe. We can also use it to design a large database sets. So knowing these concepts are very important, and these are very needed for efficiency and reliability. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is G.Lalith Vignesh. My roll number is 234G1A0577, and thank you.